I'm going to install a hatch in the top roof of the Promaster. So for me to do that, because of the location of the hatch and its size, that requires me to remove one of the support beams that goes across the roof. It's not advisable to do this. This is for entertainment only. Please realize this could reduce the structural integrity of your van. So do this at your own risk. What I have done is I placed a piece of 1/2-inch plywood between the roof and where the spot welds are. And as you can see, I've already drilled out the spot welds on this side. After that, I'm going to attempt to use a heat gun and heat up the glue, the foam adhesive that was used to apply that to the roof. After I put in the hatch and it's complete, I will put this support back in right next to the hatch. The hatch itself is a marine hatch and is structurally sound, so it will definitely help support the roof. And as you'll see in future videos, I will be adding additional supports to the roof. Actually, it's pretty easy. I think one of the keys is to also be sure to heat up your putty knife. One of the things I'm worried about is it'll re-glue as it's cooling. And some old sheet metal pieces. I'll squeeze under there just to be sure that it doesn't re-stick when it cools, which I think happened over there. If you've been watching my videos, you know I try to give you all the information so you could do this yourself. I used a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill through the spot welds on each side. There are 8 spot welds on each side that need to be drilled out. Be sure to place a piece of plywood. I used a 1/2-inch in between the welds and your roof. You don't want to drill a hole all the way through the roof. You just want to drill out the spot welds so that it will release. Now I've heated it all up, and we're going to see if we tap it with a hammer if we can get anything good to happen. seems pretty well free on that side. Okay. Probably take these out, but it doesn't matter. Now, I believe it's completely loose, but I need a way of getting it out, and it's kind of captured. So I'm thinking if I cut right here, I could slide it out. Make sure these welds are free. Yeah. This Craftsman, made in the USA, supposedly. The old Craftsman wouldn't have done that. Yep. Those four are free. The two on this side. Ooh, they're not free. There we go, just snap free. That cut right through there. That carbide bit from Diablo is amazing. They have really earned my respect in my business. The extra few dollars to buy the carbide tip is very, very worth it. All right. I don't know why this is so exciting, but it is. Whoa, gotta go widescreen for you guys. Boy, that was easy. All right, get all these pieces out of here. Now, after doing this and using these little pieces of sheet metal, they probably weren't necessary, but I wasn't sure if it was going to re-stick or not, as long as you hold the gap there a few minutes. Oh, that was easy. And as you can see, there is not a lot holding that up. It is curved just like the roof. And when I put the hatch in, I'm basically just going to repurpose it and move it over and build supports into the sidewall. It'll probably have better support when I'm done than it did when it left the factory. So, do this at your own risk. It's not something that they recommend, suggest, or in any way endorse.